If you have ever tried making money outside your job, chances are you failed. Or worse, you made some cash, but it took forever. Now the truth is, you didn't fail because you're not smart enough or hardworking enough. You failed because nobody showed you the right path. Take me for example. When I was working a regular 9 to 5, I tried all kind of side hustles, surveys, selling stuff on eBay, even trying freelance gigs after work. But no matter how hard I worked, I was always tired and I barely made anything. It felt like I was running on a treadmill, constantly moving, but getting nowhere. But now, after making over $2 million online by the age of 25, I know exactly where I was going wrong and where most people do. So in this video, I'm going to break down not just one, but 3 different paths that I have personally used to generate $10,000 in as little as a week. And then you can choose the path based on your life choices and preferences. However, all of these 3 paths work even if you don't have large amount of money or starting capital, you don't have a university degree, or you don't even have more than 2 hours per day to work. And most importantly, this won't be a high level overview like all the gurus on YouTube. Instead, for each of the paths, I will share the exact steps you can take to see real results. So let's dive into this. Now, before we jump into the 3 different paths, you first need to understand one core principle called leverage income. Now, this is what separates people who struggle to make their first dollar from those making $10,000 in a single week. Now, most people think starting a business means you can make leveraged income. Well, they couldn't be more wrong, because a common example of a business that is not providing leveraged income includes a service business. Let's say, for instance, a web design agency. If you wanted to start your web design agency, you would still have the potential of generating a high income, and it would be different from a regular 9 to 5 job. Surely you could grow your business and hire a team of people to assist you, but the amount of money you earn will still be directly tied to the number of hours you put in and your team are putting in collectively. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't start a web design agency. If you enjoy it, it can be fulfilling and provide a great earning potential. However, it does not offer the potential of generating leveraged income. And so that's why the fastest way to making 10K isn't about working harder, it's about using methods that detach your time from your income. You want your income that works without needing you to be there every second, and now I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. So the first path is existing product leverage. Now, this is when you use platforms and products that already exist and you tap into the momentum to make money. Now, the reason why this works so well is because you don't need to create anything from scratch. No product, no website, no customer base. You simply become the connector between a product and the person who needs it. Now, this is also called affiliate marketing. This is not network marketing. Affiliate marketing is completely different to network marketing, which is a pyramid scheme. If your goal is to make $10,000 as fast as possible, affiliate marketing is where most people see their first big wins. Now, I've personally generated over $27,000 in profit from just one platform. And I'll show you the screen recording right now so you can see that I'm not just making these numbers up. So here's how you can do this in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose your affiliate platform. You can use Amazon Associates for physical products, TikTok Shop for trending products, and then you could even go for something like ClickBank for softwares and coaching offers. Or you can simply go on the website of your favorite tool that you use, like Notion or any other platform. And most of these tools will always have an affiliate program, which you can find by just going right below on their website, and you will see an option which says become an affiliate or referral program or some sort of thing like that, where you can literally sign up and start receiving commission for anyone who signs up using your link. And if you don't see anything there, you can always contact them directly. And most of the times they will always have this because it's a both side win. You're winning and they're winning because they're getting a customer. And the commission ranges anywhere from 2% on platforms like Amazon Associates all the way to 40-50% on platforms like ClickBank, or if you directly go to a software or a tool that you use. Step 2, pick your content platform. See, TikTok and YouTube Shorts are king right now. You don't need to use your face or voice. You can simply use screen recordings, product clips, or now we have AI generated videos that you can make. And the last and most important step is to simply find 3 to 5 similar accounts to what you want to start promoting or creating, and then you're going to go through all the videos they have created and simply look at the ones that have outperformed their normal or average view and simply recreate them with your product in it. That's it. And then just make sure your actual affiliate link for the product is in your bio. So when that video starts getting traction, people go to your bio and buy the product directly from there. You can even leave the link in the actual comments, or you can just put a comment saying link in bio, and so they will know where to go in order to buy this product. Now, if you're still doubting this path, here's an example account that makes videos on Amazon finds. Now, this video here has received 24 million views, where he's simply showing 10 useful Amazon products. Let's do some quick math here. Let's say out of the 24 million views, only 1% of the people actually decided to go ahead and purchase the product from his affiliate link, and he made around 10 pence per sale. So 1% of 24 million is 240,000 buyers, and 10p commission from 240,000 people is £24,000. This is from a single video. And this is the power of using existing product leverage. It's fast, lean, and powerful. So if you can just hit one viral video, you can cross 10K faster than any other model. But there is a trade-off. Since you don't own the product or platform, you have less control. So if the program shuts down or bans you, your income can vanish. Which brings us to path number 2. Digital asset leverage is when you create a digital product or resource once and then sell it over and over again without redoing the work. Now, this gives you control and ownership. You're not dependent on someone else's platform or policies. Every sale is 100% yours. Now, a lot of people think you need to invent a crazy revolutionary digital product or again have an audience to be able to make any sales. And they couldn't be more wrong. And just in a bit, you will understand why. See, there are 2 types of digital products: text-based, such as ebooks, templates, PDF guides, and video-based, like courses, masterclass, or workshops. It doesn't matter which one you choose, you can follow the exact steps that I'm about to show you to create your first digital product. Step 1, you need to start by selecting your platform where you want to host your digital product. So if you have no following, which most of you probably have none, I would recommend Etsy or Amazon KDP for text-based digital products, and Udemy or Skillshare for video-based, because these sites already have traffic of people looking for resources on them. So you're simply just getting on a platform where there's already people searching for video courses or text-based resources. Step 2 is you want to go ahead and select a topic or a category or a niche that you have some sort of interest or knowledge in, and then simply start going through existing digital products on that platform and see which one you can easily create. The key ingredients to a successful digital product is that you should be able to answer the following questions. What problem does my digital product solve? Who does it solve for? And how does it solve it? If you can answer these questions, then the chances of you finding that specific type of person is a lot more higher, because it will make them feel like you're speaking directly to them. Now, step 3 is to outline, create, and list. See, once you have the idea, don't overcomplicate it. Just outline the key parts of your product. Keep it simple, focused, and actually helpful. Use tools like Canva to design it, if it's a text-based or just ebook. ChatGPT to help you structure it, and then you can use Loom or your phone for screen recording if it's a video-based digital product. Once it's ready, upload it to your chosen platform, set clear title and description, and price it competitively. Now, if you really want to get to 10K super fast, then here's a bonus step. Create a content system to generate traffic to your product. See, once the product is live, if you want to start making sales fast, then traffic becomes key. Start making short form videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts around the product topic, where you share tips, behind the scenes creation, or even quick wins from your guide or course. You're not going to be selling here, you're simply educating and creating curiosity. And then, just like in affiliate marketing, you want to add the link in bio so then the viewers know where they can buy this product from. Back in 2020, I decided to create a Forex EA PDF where I showed people how to set up a Forex robot. And I simply promoted this entire thing with one YouTube video. And it made me over $5,000 in 24 hours. Yes. You heard that right. So this path gives you full ownership and profit control, but it does require upfront effort. But if you rather not build at all, then the final path might just be for you. Existing system leverage is when you can use an infrastructure like Amazon, where they handle everything for you, Website, they have built it for you. Traffic, Amazon brings it for you. Manpower, Amazon's employee work for you. Storage, they will store the product for you in their own warehouse. Logistics, they will ship the product to the customers for you. Customer service, they will do it for you. There is a reason why it's called fulfillment by Amazon, because they're doing everything for you. All you have to do is find a product that's selling well on Amazon, buy it in bulk from a wholesale supplier or the brand directly, and then you're going to ship it off to Amazon. And so then every time you get an order, Amazon is the one who will pick, pack, and ship the product for you. Now, I'll be honest, this path may not be the fastest path to 10K out of the three, but if you want to build a business without creating anything upfront or making videos, then this is for you. This is exactly what I used to make my first 100K online. And here's how you can get started in just 5 simple steps. By the way, if you want a detailed walkthrough of this, then you can check out this video after finishing this. Step 1 is to set up your Amazon seller account. Simply go to Google and head over to sell.amazon.co.uk if you're in the UK, and if you're in the US, then it's .com. And then simply sign up. You can use your existing Amazon account or create a brand new account. Once you have filled in your information, you will need to jump on a verification call with an Amazon employee to confirm and verify that it's a real human being and it's you who is creating the account. Step 2 is to register a trade account with your local wholesaler. Head over to Google, type in wholesalers near me, and it will list all the wholesalers that are in like 1 mile or 3-4 mile radius in your area. And then you can simply call them up, or you can go directly to them in person and ask them, hey, I would like to open a trade account. Then they will ask you for your company information or your information, and what you do, simply provide that to them. And then once your trade account has successfully been registered, you can go ahead and ask them for their price list. Step 3 is to go through the price list and find items that are already selling well on Amazon for a higher price than you can buy from the wholesaler. And then step 4 is to simply buy or order the product from that supplier and then ship it off to Amazon. And you can either prep these items yourself, or you can use a third-party fulfillment center or third-party prep center to handle all this for you and then ship it directly off to Amazon. Once that's done, step 5 is to let Amazon do the rest. They will pick, pack, and ship the products directly to your customers. All you need to do is check your dashboard, monitor your inventory, and make sure you restock on time. It's literally like having a digital vending machine running 24/7, and Amazon is stocking and shelving and handling the customers for you. So if you want to learn step by step exactly how to start Amazon wholesale, then you can go check out this video right here. But before you click, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you there. Peace.